What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Jordan. I know it's been a long ass time since I've been on the platform. However, I've been super consistent on my Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. So if you're not already following me on those platforms, please do so. This has been a long time coming. I'm super excited to be back, start really documenting more of my journey. Since I last made a video on here, I was just getting started in the real estate side and trying to just better myself. And now things are just flowing. I'm having so many opportunities coming in, and I'm in the process of just kind of trying to build a team and find a way to successfully build an empire. That's my main goal, and I want to take y'all on the journey with me. So really, the point of this whole YouTube is going to really document what's going on, how I'm doing certain things, and kind of have more in an educational way. Because on Instagram and TikTok, I can make long videos, but 9 times out of 10, y'all are just gonna hit the flick of the wrist. You know what I mean? You're not gonna watch the full thing. But if you're dedicated and you want to learn a little bit more, you're gonna come to my YouTube channel and watch me and learn a little bit, take some notes, whatever it may be. Please, if you get some value from anything I talk about, even on Instagram, whatever it may be, drop a comment below, hit the like button. Even share it on your story. That would help out tremendously. If not, no worries. You can stay in the background and learn. But without asking questions, you're never really gonna get to know exactly what you're looking to do. So that being said, I don't want to make this too long. It's really just an intro on exactly what I want you guys to expect from my channel. But I do want to tell y'all what I got cooking right now. I'm planning on buying my first property in San Antonio, Texas. This is going to be on a hybrid method. So a hybrid method is a combination of a subject to and a seller financing. I know a lot of my audience right now may not know what that is. Maybe you do. If you do, hey, let me know in the comments if I explained this wrong. But essentially, it's called a subject to the existing mortgage. And how that works is to where you can pretty much make payments on the behalf of a seller. So for instance, say that a seller is looking to sell their house for $200,000, but their mortgage is $190,000. There's only $10,000 of equity in there. They're not going to be able to sell that on the market because they're going to have to come out of pocket with all of the fees, which we'll talk about later in other videos. Selling this as a cash transaction wouldn't make sense because the house is only worth $200,000, and for a cash offer, you're gonna need to be around 60 to 70%. In this day and age, honestly, we need to pick these up for 40 to 50% of what the value is actually worth. So with this scenario, subject to the existing loan, I can start making payments on the behalf of that seller. I can pay them $10,000. So I can buy it for $200,000, get them $10,000 at cash of close, and then I will now start making payments on the behalf of that seller. The mortgage stays in that seller's name, which a lot of people are like, why would anyone do that? This will come in later videos when I actually break down subject to, but it's just a brief explanation. So the next part is a seller financing. This goes into that hybrid. So seller financing is where you're able to finance the equity, or maybe the house is free and clear and you're just pretty much having that seller act as the bank. So now they're becoming the lender. So in this scenario with the hybrid, you essentially, for the example that we had, say the property's worth $200,000 and their mortgage is $150,000. So now there's $50,000 of equity in there. Cash sale probably won't work. Maybe you can sell on the market, may not get what you want. But taking this over on a hybrid method, I'm able to make that underlying payment on the $150 and then structure it to where I can get that seller some money up front, or maybe I like to get into these deals with $0 down, where I can structure that $50,000 of equity to make payments to that seller each month, as if now they are the bank. So it's crazy. Creative financing is absolutely amazing. And the hybrid method is the combination of both subject to and seller financing. And it's just mind boggling. I love this industry. I love the problems that I'm able to solve with this strategy. And if you want to learn more, make sure to hit that like and follow button. or I guess in this scenario, it's a subscribe button, but also make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment below if you want to learn something specifically. If I said something in here that you didn't fully understand, drop a comment and I'll make sure I touch on that subject next time. With that being said, thanks for watching. Peace.